How to add your LinkedIn leads to Mautic as contact automatically. So Mautic is a marketing automation software, and in this video I'll show you whenever a new lead is captured from your LinkedIn ads or from your LinkedIn lead generation form, how you can add those leads as contact automatically in Mautic software. So if you also want to sync your LinkedIn leads with your marketing automation software, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my LinkedIn account where I have created several LinkedIn lead generation form, and as soon as someone will submit this form, I will show you how you can add that lead as a contact in your Mautic software. But in order to automate this process, firstly we will have to build a connection in our LinkedIn lead generation form, and in this Mautic application, which I am going to do with the help of software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I am providing the name something like send LinkedIn leads to Mautic software. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. Now simply click on create, and after that you will find two boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. Okay, so this is how you need to always choose the application in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, we want that whenever any new lead is generated via your LinkedIn lead generation form application, then automatically add the very same lead in Mautic application. Okay, so I have selected both the applications in this trigger and the action window, and now the idea here is, firstly I will connect my LinkedIn lead generation form with Pabbly Connect and will capture all the lead details here. Then I will connect Pabbly Connect with the Mautic and send the lead detail to Mautic. Okay, so in this way this automation will take place. Okay, so let us first connect the LinkedIn lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new lead generation form response. Okay, so yes, I want to perform the same, that whenever any new lead is captured, this automation should trigger, or we can say those lead details should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply clicking on this connect button, clicking on add new connection, clicking on connect with LinkedIn lead generation form, and then it will ask you the access of your LinkedIn account. Because I have provided this access multiple times, so I am going with the existing connection. But if you are building this connection for the first time, you will have to firstly provide the access, and after that you can also use those existing connection. Okay, so here you can notice my LinkedIn account is connected with the Pabbly Connect, and because we are connected, the account name and all the lead form are visible here automatically. Okay, so currently I have 3 accounts in total, and I am going to work in this Naveen Kole account, so I'll be selecting the same. And here in this lead form, whatever the forms are available inside my account again have started visible here. Okay, now I will go with which particular form. So basically I am going with this sample lead generation form. Now why I'm selecting this form? Firstly I'll show you the ad which is created in my LinkedIn account. Okay, so this is the advertisement section where I have a group with the name Pabbly Connect, and in this group a campaign is also created. Basically 2 campaigns are created, that is lead generation and this good campaign. Okay, and under this lead generation campaign I have 2 ads. Okay, both the ads are actually into the draft mode, and I will create this whole automation with these draft ads only because I'm not running any live ads. Okay, so let me show you my advertisement. This is the advertisement, and assume that I'm running some digital marketing agency for which I'm running ad on on LinkedIn. Okay, so do you want to increase the traffic on your website? We offer SEO and digital marketing services to the companies. Clicking on apply now. Okay, so in this way the potential user will submit this form. Okay, and I was telling you that why I am selecting this sample lead generation form. Okay, so if I will edit this advertisement in front of you, I'll show you. Basically you will notice that the same form is embedded, so that is why I am selecting this sample lead generation form. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, if you exit, any changes you have made to the form will not be saved. Okay, no problem, because I have not made any changes. Okay, coming back to my Pabbly Connect dashboard, and firstly I will click on this button, that is save and send test request, and you will notice that a blank response will be generated because currently there are no leads available in my LinkedIn lead generation form. Okay, so firstly I will submit this form with some dummy details. Okay, looking for digital marketing for your agency or a business, fill this form, share your details with us, and we will get back to you. Okay, so I will provide some random details and will submit the form. Okay, so assume that the name of the person is demo user. Okay, well, it is asking for the email address. Okay, so demo user 321 at pabblytudes.com. I'm adding this particular email address, asking for the phone number. So again I'm going to provide some dummy phone number only, and now it is asking for the first name, last name and company name. Well, these three fields are already pre-filled, so from where it is actually picking up these values? Okay, so firstly I'll show you my LinkedIn account and then I will edit this account in front of you. Okay, so I'm viewing my profile and this is the pencil to edit it, and here you will find that in the first name this Pabbly is provided, and as the last name this subscription billing management service is provided. Okay, so that is why from here only it is picking these default values, because my ad is into the draft mode. I am not running any live ads. Okay, but if you will run your live ads, don't worry, you will be able to capture the real leads. Okay, currently I'll go with this dummy data only, that is first name as Pabbly and last name as subscription billing management service. Okay, you will have to follow the same procedure, only the details are dummy here, but in order to automate this process you need to follow the same process. Okay, so let me click on the submit button, and as soon as the submission is made, you will notice that when I will click on this button, the same form submission data will be received here as a response. So here you can notice the response is already received. Okay, now I will show you the details one by one. Here we have the form ID, the same form name, that is sample lead generation form. Here we also have the timing of the form, but this is in a different format, and here we have the same email address. Here we also have the same phone number, and now I'll show you those default values as the first name and the last name and the company name. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in our LinkedIn lead generation form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time someone will submit this form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes, because this trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes. Basically the trigger here is the polling based, which is going to fetch the data in every 10 minutes. But don't worry about that, your data will surely be captured here. Okay, and once you have that data inside Pabbly Connect dashboard, you can easily send that data to different application or to Mautic application. Okay, so the application is already selected. Now I'll be selecting the action event, that is create or update a contact, because my motive is to perform the same. Okay, and just like we have connected LinkedIn with Pabbly Connect, now I'll be connecting Mautic with the Pabbly Connect. So for that it is asking for the username, password and base URL. Okay, so enter the root URL of your Mautic installation, URL of the website under the settings and then configuration. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Mautic. Firstly I'll find the setting option. So here we have the setting option, then simply click on this configuration section, and here you will find the website URL. Simply copy that and paste here, and here activate the API and activate this HTTP basic permission again under this setting and configuration section. Okay, so this is the API settings, and make sure this API and this HTTP basic auth should be enabled. Both of the settings settings should be enabled. Clicking on the save and close. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, and give me a second, let me also provide the username and password of my Mautic account. So I have provided the credentials. Now clicking on save, and this is how you will notice my Mautic application will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here you can notice, because we are connected, it is asking several details which are actually required for creating a contact in any automation software. Okay, but I am going to provide the data only into the important fields, okay, like the first name, last name, company name, phone number, and the email address. Okay, so firstly it is asking for the activate date. Okay, so again this is not a mandatory field, so you can leave it blank. Asking for the points and the title. Well, I cannot define the title because it will be fixed for every person. Okay, if you want to provide the title along with the first name and last name, you can first capture that data in your LinkedIn lead generation form response, and then you can add that data here. Okay, so now you must be thinking from where I am going to provide these details. Okay, so remember, we have already captured the data into our previous step response, that is from LinkedIn lead generation form. Okay, and the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy this data and paste in my below step. Okay, I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for the first name of the person, which was Pabbly. Remember, we are using the dummy, the default value only. Is asking for the last name, so here I will add the values, something like subscription billing management service. Further, it is asking for the primary company. I will have to check whether I have captured any company name or not, and yes, we do have the company name. Asking for the mobile number and the email address. Okay, so let me map the same. Okay, now you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I am repeating here again and again. Okay, so whatever the details you will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time in next time. Okay, so I am repeating this thing once again. As soon as a new lead generation form is submitted, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect firstly, and when we have that new data, our new data will replace these existing values. Okay, so this is how this automation will take place, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Okay, but instead of mapping, if I will provide any data manually here, that data will remain same, will be static. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values manually and in providing the values via mapping. Okay, so I think I have provided all the important details. Okay, so how about I directly click on this button, save and send test request, and you will notice that a contact will be created in my Mautic software automatically. Currently no result found. Coming back, clicking on this button, fingers crossed, waiting for the response, and here you can notice the response is received. Going back to my Mautic application, let me first refresh my account, and here you can notice the same person has been created as a contact in our Mautic application. So this is the same lead with the same information, that is first name as Pabbly subscription billing, basically first name as Pabbly and last name as subscription billing management service, and here we have the email address, the same phone number, and other details like the company name. Okay, so in this way you can sync your LinkedIn leads with the Mautic application automatically, and the leads will be added in 10 minutes, in every 10 minutes automatically. Okay, so in order to automate this whole process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So you just need to click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.